For those of you who have seen my trailer reaction videos on my YouTube channel, then this next segment you will find very interesting. It all starts with a following hint. As you can tell, I'm a fan of all things movies and TV shows, but what you're about to see are some of the filming locations that were filmed around the entire city. So, lights, camera, action. Loads of movies have been filmed here. Pulteney Bridge was one of them, and this was where they filmed a scene from the film version of Les Miz, where Russell Crowe's Inspector Javert takes his own life. It was the suicide scene. And author Jane Austen used to live in the city of Bath from 1801 to 1806, and many film adaptations of her books were filmed here in Bath. Some movies include Persuasion and Northanger Abbey. The 2008 film The Duchess was also filmed here. The filming locations for each movie done in the city have included the Royal Crescent, the Assembly Rooms, Green Park Station, and again, Pulteney Bridge. The most recent movie shot in Bath back in 2021 was the new Willy Wonka movie. If any of you have seen the trailers, you might have spotted one of the many landmarks where a scene or two was shot on Stall Street and its many surroundings. This is Stall Street. That's where one of the scenes from the Wonka movie was shot.